Yes, we've had some homecomings, we like to say. So it's very nice to meet people from organizations that I haven't met before and making connections within those organizations. I made one with Westrock just a few minutes ago, where 2 days before I met with some Westrock individuals and had a wonderful conversation. We just picked up on that, and we're going to complete the triangle, if you will, of communications. They're going to reach out to the people I spoke to and make sure that we're all in the same direction. Honestly, no. And I say that because I tell them ahead of time. I said, it's not a phone call. I said, I'm open to emails. Please contact me that way, and please remind me of where we met and why we met, so that before we have the phone call or we set up that phone call, I'm aware and ready to have that conversation again. Or I'll be quite honest, let's put it off for a couple months because I'm not ready. So cold calling to me is a thing of the past. You really need to make the connections through, like LinkedIn is huge for me. And I expect people who link in with me to tell me why they're contacting me. Not just, hey, saw you on LinkedIn, let's be friends. No, a little more professionalism is worth 1,000 words. Be prepared for those one-on-one meetings. Make the meetings. Even if you're not sure who they are, make the meetings and meet more people. But again, go into those meetings making sure that you know what you want, and let them know who you are. Because once they know who you are, they'll know how to work and have a conversation with you that's meaningful.